It sounds like you like some help with creating
First aid for dog bites. Hey everyone, welcome back to Dr. Decode. Today, we're tackling an important topic that can literally save lives: first aid for dog bites. Whether it's a minor nip or a serious bite, knowing what to do right away can prevent infections, complications, and even trauma. If you're a pet owner, parent, or just someone who wants to be prepared, stay tuned. This video is packed with essential, life-saving tips. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on helpful content like this. Why dog bites happen? Before we dive into first aid, let's quickly talk about why dog bites happen. It's not always about aggression. Dogs may bite when they're scared, injured, territorial, or even just overstimulated. A dog bite refers to an injury where a dog's teeth break the skin of a person or another animal. These bites can range from minor scratches to severe wounds, including punctures, lacerations, and crushing injuries. Health risks associated with dog bites. Dog bites can lead to several health complications. Infections. Bacteria from a dog's mouth can cause infections like tetanus, rabies, or sepsis. Physical injuries, deep wounds, nerve damage, or broken bones. Emotional trauma, especially in children, dog bites can lead to lasting psychological effects. Key reasons include in dog bites: fear or anxiety, protecting food or territory, pain or illness, rough play or provocation, protecting puppies. First aid for dog bites. If bitten by a dog. 1. Clean the wound. Wash immediately with soap and water. 2. Stop the bleeding, apply pressure with a clean cloth. 3. Apply antibiotic ointment, to prevent infection. 4. Cover the wound, use a sterile bandage. 5. Seek medical attention, especially if the bite is deep, bleeding heavily, or shows signs of infection. Step-by-step first aid. Post, with demonstration visuals or props. Here's what to do immediately after a dog bite. Step 1. Ensure safety. Remove yourself or others from danger. Restrain the dog if possible. Step 2. Assess the wound. Check if skin is broken. Note location, depth, and bleeding. Step 3. Control the bleeding. Use a clean cloth and apply pressure. Elevate the wound if on an arm/leg. Step 4. Clean the wound. Rinse with warm water for 5 to 10 minutes. Use mild soap, avoid alcohol or hydrogen peroxide initially. Step 5. Apply antibiotic and cover. Use antibiotic cream. Cover with a clean bandage or sterile gauze. Step 6. Seek medical attention. Always see a doctor if the skin is punctured. Dog bites can carry bacteria like Pastorella, Streptococcus, and rabies. Even small bites on fingers, face, or hands require urgent care due to infection risk and complex structures. When to go to the hospital? Sometimes, a trip to the emergency referral is not optional. Here are red flags you should never ignore. Go to the emergency referral if bite is deep or bleeding heavily. Victim is a child or elderly person. Bite is on the face, neck, or joints. You don't know the dog's rabies vaccination status. Signs of infection: redness, swelling, pus, warmth, fever. If rabies is a concern, you'll need immediate post-exposure prophylaxis, a series of life-saving injections. Post-care tips and monitoring. After first aid and medical care, the healing phase is just as important. Follow-up tips on post-care tips and monitoring. Change bandage daily. Watch for signs of infection. Take full course of prescribed antibiotics. Update tetanus shot if due. Report bite to local animal control if necessary. Preventing dog bites. Let's talk prevention. A little awareness goes a long way. Tips to prevent dog bites. Avoid approaching unfamiliar dogs. Don't disturb dogs while they eat, sleep, or care for puppies. Teach children how to behave around dogs. Recognize warning signs like growling, stiff body, lip licking, showing whites of eyes. Respect the dog's space and teach others to do the same. Outro and call to action. I hope you never have to use this information, but if you do, now you know exactly what to do. Dog bites can be serious, but quick, calm, and informed action makes all the difference. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with your thoughts or experiences, and share this video with fellow pet lovers. Subscribe for more pet safety, health, and first aid tips, only here Dr. Decode.